Yo, what's going on, folks, man? First of all, welcome back to me, the set, and to you watching this video, bruh. It's been a tumultuous last week. If you probably was looking for content here, we got hacked, bruh. Boy, it is an absolute nightmare to have your account hacked, and the perpetrators decided to throw some content on the channel. Luckily, we was able to shut it down before that. People started watching it and think that's what I was into, and it didn't get my channel banned from YouTube. So I say all that to say, bruh, listen, getting hacked is absolutely bananas, but with a little due diligence, you can always get it back. Some things are irreplaceable, but for the most part, we got everything back. We got the channel back up and running, and boy, I'm still paranoid as shit. I'm just be honest with you. But let me get off of all of that, right? We're here because we have something that I probably shouldn't have purchased, but what it is the Fanatics under wraps, and it's a GameStop exclusive. And I just happened to be in GameStop one day and we pre-ordered this. It came in today on Sunday of all days. So yeah, football, NFL, Sunday, yeah, you get it, right? And what it is an officially licensed autograph 8x10 photo, ready to display folio with magnetic photo holder. And the checklist is crazy. I'm gonna try to look, I'm a Packers fan through and through. The only two Packers we got on here is Aaron Rodgers and Charles Woodson. So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and hope that I get one of those guys. That way I feel like it was worth the $150 for this 8x10 autograph. So wish me luck. Without further ado, man, let's get into, okay, maybe not. They got Tom Brady on here too, man. It's Tampa Tom, so I won't be too mad if I get Tampa Tom, bro. But they look like, yeah, man. By the looks of it, it looks like Philly has the most people on here that you can get. You have the best chances of hitting one of those Philly players in this thing, because we have Brandon Graham, Dallas Goedert, Jalen Hurts, Nick Foles, Randall Cunningham, bro. Let's just get into it, man.
All right, we back, man. Let's get into it. Went ahead and took the rap off the joint, yo. I hate being trolled by rappers, yo. Oh, that's kind of funny. Being trolled by rappers. I got jokes. All right. The folio is actually pretty dang good quality, man. Got my greasy ass fingers on it, but yeah, let's see what we get, man. Boy, I really hope this is one of those Packers, bro. I wouldn't be mad at Tom either, bro. I wouldn't be mad with Joe Montana hold up, bro. Let me see. Yeah, man. Joe Montana, Steve Young, bro. Yeah, it's a pretty nice list, man. But obviously, man, these two right here, that's what I'm going for, bro. Let's get it, man. Oh, man. All right, bro. I already think I know what this is. I seen the colors. Oh, it's Justin Herbert. Justin Herbert. Am I mad at this? Nah, not really, but come on. Justin Herbert, it's not a bad pickup. He's a decent quarterback. He just ain't really won nothing. We got a magnetic holder here. We got our Fanatics number here. NFL license number on there. This is not bad, folks. Not bad at all. That's very interesting. But I really wish it was one of those Packers, bro. That would have been super dope. But $150, man, for 8x10, officially licensed, Justin Herbert signature, GameStop exclusive, man. Not bad to bring the channel back in, bro. Yeah, nothing left to do now, man, but ask you to please subscribe if you have not done so, bro. Please like the video so we can get it out to more people, man. I am your boy, Money Met from the set. Again, thanks for tuning back in, man. It's been a tumultuous week, bro. We kind of lost the channel. We got it back. Hackers didn't win. We did. So, yeah, man, do appreciate it. Hit me in the comment section, man, whether you think this was a colossal waste of money or, you know, you see it in these other names on here, bro. Let me know if that is one of the ones that you would have went for. Is $150 too much to spend for this? Let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to get on out of here, folks. Peace.